Are you tired of spending hours creating a single blog post or video only to get zero traffic? The truth is, the old way of doing content is dead. Today, your audience is everywhere, and if you are not using AI to create text, images, and video all at once, you are being left behind. Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at Multimodal AI Mastery PLR. I'm going to show you exactly what this is, how it works, and why it is the fastest way to build high-converting campaigns, or simply slap your name on it and sell it for 100% profit. Make sure you watch until the end because I have put together a massive, exclusive bonus package with 10 premium software tools that you will only get if you pick this up through my link in the description. Let's get into the quick verdict. If you are a beginner looking to understand AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia, or if you're a marketer looking for a ready-made product to sell this weekend, this is a no-brainer. For under $10, you're getting an 18,000-word playbook, 3 checklists, and full private label rights. You can literally buy this right now, rebrand it, and sell it today to get your money back. So what exactly is Multimodal AI Mastery PLR? It's a complete step-by-step blueprint that teaches you how to build unified marketing campaigns using AI-generated text, images, and videos. It's designed for complete beginners who don't have an email list, a big ad budget, or video editing skills. It solves the biggest problem we all face: content chaos. Instead of guessing what to post, it gives you the exact prompts and checklists to dominate every platform and cut your content creation time by up to 80%. Plus, because it comes with full private label rights, you're not just learning from it, you own it. You can use it as a lead magnet to build your list, offer it as a bonus, or sell it directly to your audience. Let's do a quick walkthrough of what you actually get inside. Once you download your package, you'll see the main 80-page playbook. This is not just fluff, it's packed with real-world strategies. You get copy and paste prompts for top AI tools so you don't have to guess what to type to get good results. Along with the main guide, you get 3 printable pro checklists: the pre-campaign strategy checklist, the blog post content checklist, and the video production checklist. These are pure gold. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to put together a cohesive campaign, these checklists give you a simple, follow-along path so nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's talk about the pricing and the optional upgrades. The front-end offer is just $9.97 during this launch period. That includes the full playbook, the 3 checklists, and the private label rights. There's also a quick order bump on the checkout page for $7 that I highly recommend grabbing. If you want to scale up, they have a few great upgrades. OTO1 is $14.95 on a dime sale. This gives you 16 unrestricted PLR lead magnets. This is perfect if you want to build a massive email list quickly. OTO2 is PLR Dealer Elite membership. You can try it for just $2.99, and then it's $17 a month. This gives you fresh PLR content every single month to keep your store stocked. OTO3 is $17.95, giving you 24 more unrestricted PLR lead magnets. You don't need the upgrades to make the front end work, but if you want to build a whole portfolio of products to sell, they're highly recommended. Now, let's talk about my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. If you click the link in the description and pick this up today, I'm going to give you 10 premium tools to guarantee your success. Bonus 1 is Vid Builder. This creates responsive video sales pages fast, so you have a place to host your new AI video campaigns. Bonus 2 is Socialtima. This is an all-in-one social media engine that drives free traffic to your new PLR product. Bonus 3 is Opt-in Monster. Add high-converting pop-ups to your site to capture leads instantly. Bonus 4 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool extracts high-profit keywords across Google and YouTube so your content actually ranks. Bonus 5 is WP Video Focus. This keeps your video playing in the corner as people scroll your site, boosting your conversions. Bonus 6 is Pin Marketer. This will automate your Pinterest content streams completely hands-free. Bonus 7 is Lead Book Generator. This perfectly connects Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder. Bonus 8 is WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website instantly so you never lose a buyer to slow load times. Bonus 9 is Promo Video Secrets, a complete guide on how to script and publish short promo videos that sell. Bonus 10 is Article Analyzer. This will analyze all your AI-generated articles to make sure the keyword density is perfect for Google. You get all 10 of these exclusive bonuses completely free when you pick up Multimodal AI Mastery through my link. Here's my final verdict. The AI wave is happening right now. You can either learn how to use it to create amazing multimodal content, or you can get left behind. For under $10, getting a premium guide with full private label rights is an absolute steal. You're getting a business in a box. But you need to act fast. The launch discount is ending very soon, and my 10 custom bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed. Click the link in the description below right now to lock in your discount and secure all 10 of my exclusive App Verdict bonuses. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the App Verdict channel for more no-nonsense reviews. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus dashboard right under your access link. Click the link below, grab your copy, and I'll see you in the next video.